I'm at Wamego City Park this morning. I haven't been here in a long time, so just want to get several short videos. I can do a live another day. And it's handicap accessible. I don't have my walker with me. I'll have to bring it next time and see where I can go and what I can do with it. But I've never had any problem getting around here, so. Here's the windmill. I'll get a better view from the other side. But yes, we have windmills like this in Kansas. Yeah, so, okay, we're on. So here we have Toto, because, you know, it's Kansas. I think I'll just make this a video and not a short, we'll see. There's a lot of other Totos around town. Oh, this one's a service dog. Kind of big for a service dog. Cannon. There's a museum over there, but there's people, so I don't want to do that. I haven't walked this. And all this counts as part of my mobility and exercises and all that stuff. Oh. Okay. Do we have like acorns and pine cones? I forgot a bag for those kind of things. So, a cabin, I think. Has somebody's little bitty house. I can't imagine living in some, well, I guess it's even bigger than a tiny house probably now. Here we have, I can't see because of the glare. Yeah, that's the jail. It's been years and years and years since I've walked around and looked at this stuff. Here we have the jail. We have a wagon over here.